Keywords with Jasper AI. From the main page, you will go on the left and click on the Create Content. On the library, you will find the performance marketing over here and go down and you will find the keywords and click on the use. You can choose a different brand voice or different languages options, but I will go with English. So audience, I will go with suggestions and choose a small business owners, digital marketers, and freelancers. Click on the next and go with a website. So I will just put there some random website. Click on the content. What are these keywords for? I would say for traveling. So travel. And click on the next. And I can just generate it right here. So it will give me different keywords for my website in the moment. You can also add more information over here, or if you have a pro version, you can create an image with Jasper. Just already created it. So from my website, which I put it there, it create me different keywords options. For example, short tail, long tail, a competitive keywords, or regional keywords. So I can choose different options for my website. That's it. That's how to create the keywords with Jasper.ai. See you in the next video.